In this video, we will mentally multiply large numbers using the base 10, base 20, and base 30 method. So we have 17 times 15, and let's use this new method. So with the base 10 method, we check how much bigger or less is 17 than 10. It's going to be plus 7, 7 more. Next, 15. How much bigger or less is 15 than 10? It's going to be 5 more, so plus 5. Next, we say plus 7 plus 15 is 22. Plus 5 plus 17 is also 22. This is always going to be the case, where this diagonal and this diagonal will be the same. Since it's base 10, we say 22 times 10, and we get 220. Next, we look at this 7 and this 5. Plus 7 times plus 5 is 35. Final step, 220 plus 35 will be 255. And this is the final answer. 17 times 15 is 255. Now we'll do another set. 7 times 14. So how much bigger or less is 7 compared to 10? It's going to be 3 less, so minus 3. How much bigger or less is 14 than 10? It's 4 more, plus 4. Same procedure as last time. So negative 3 plus 14 is 11. Plus 4 plus 7 is 11. Always going to be the same. 11 times 10 is 110. Now we have negative 3 times 4 is negative 12. So 110 minus 12 is 98. 7 times 14 is 98. Another base 10. So 7 times 8. Easily you can do it on your head and say 56. But let's use this method. How much bigger or how much less is 7 compared to 10? 3 less, minus 3. How much bigger, how much less is 8 compared to 10? Minus 2. So now we say minus 3 plus 8, we get 5. Minus 2 plus 7 is 5. Always the same. 5 times 10 is 50. Now we say negative 3 times negative 2, and it's going to be 6. Positive 6. So 50 plus 6 is 56. Now let's do larger numbers. 27 times 25. Here we'll use the base 20 method. How much bigger or less compared to 20 is 27? Plus 7. How much bigger, how much less is 25 compared to 20? Plus 5. Now this is a little bit different. Since we're doing the base 20 method, we say 20 divided by 10. 2. 2 times, parentheses, 25 plus 7. If you multiply it out, you get 64, because this piece right here is 32. Similar way, 27 plus 5 is 32. 32 times 20 over 10 is 64. Always the same. So now we say 64 times 10 is 640. Now we have 7 times 5 is going to be 35. 640 plus 35 is 675. Now we'll do another problem. 26 times 17. How much bigger, how much less is 26 compared to 20? It's plus 6. How much bigger, how much less is 17 compared to 20? Minus 3. So we say 20 over 10 because we're doing base 20. We have 17 plus 6, which is going to be 23. 23 times 2 is 46. Same way, 26 minus 3 is 23. 23 times 2 is 46. 46 times 10 is 460. Now we do 6 times negative 3, which is negative 18. So 460 minus 18 will be 442. Let's do another one. 16 times 15. How much bigger, how much less is 16 compared to 20? Negative 4. How much bigger, how much less is 15 compared to 20? Negative 5. So we say 15 minus 4, we get 11. 11 times 20 over 10, which is 22. 22 times 10 is 220. Negative 4 times negative 5 is 20. 220 plus 20 is 240. Now we'll do base 30. 37 times 34. So how much bigger, how much less is 37 compared to 30? Plus 7. How much bigger, how much less is 34 compared to 30? Plus 4. So we say 30 over 10 because we're doing base 10. So 34 plus 7 times 3 is 123, times 10 is 1230. Now 7 times 4 is 28, so 1230 plus 28 we'll get 1258. Now we'll do 27 times 35. So how much bigger, how much less is 27 compared to 30? Minus 3. How much bigger, how much less is 35 compared to 30? Plus 5. So 35 minus 3 is 32. 32 times 3 is 96. Times 10, 960. Negative 3 times 5 is negative 15. So put a 15 here and put a minus sign here. 960 minus 15 is 945. Last one. 27 times 23. How much bigger is 27 compared to 30? It's minus 3. Likewise, 23 minus 7. 23 minus 3 is 20. 20 times 3 is 60. 60 times 10 is 600. Negative 3 times negative 7 is 21. 600 plus 21 is 621. And that's how we can mentally multiply large numbers using the base 10 and base 30 method. With practice, you don't need to even show this step. You can do this all in your head, but that takes time.